sa inyo lahat. Ako si Gianna. Pwede niyo akong tawagin Gia. For today's video, tayo manonood ng cringiest video, TikTok videos ever. Kung tinatanong mo, bakit cringe? Kasi, wala lang. At, kung magagalit ako, bahala na. Kaya, tara na, manood na kayo. Boom! Kaya mag-start na tayo sa video na to. Make sure like and subscribe and comment in my YouTube channel to see more updated videos. And, ayun lang. Wala nang iba te. Sana hindi ako sobrang cringe at hindi maging brain rot na yun. Pang-cool down. Tara na. Baby. Ano daw? Baby. Sugar. I was inspired by namin Lenka, but it's still here. Fan kita namin. Ano daw? Wait.
Boy, look at your glass face. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
Dapat mo dati yung dito. Kasi, hindi siya cute.
Tramping through the bush.
Jumping to the moon. Na, na, na.
Ohayo, Poco. Good morning, Pac.
Si Homa.
Buenos días, Poco. Доброе утро, Poco. Buongiorno, Poco. Bom dia, Poco.
And she says, I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to
Nangyari sa mukha niya, guys. Comment down. So, hindi ko siya minawak. I'm sorry to you, but ayoko.
I wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids.
Be, hindi talaga ganun mukha niya. Ay, cookie. Hindi ka magaling, hindi ka nakakatawa. Sana mag-trending ka ng cringe. Nahulog postiso. Doon na sa labas ka. Hala, postiso ko nahulog. Sa'yo na lang. Oo. So guys, nakat yung video. Nasaan na tayo? Ito pala. Sabi na. Kamay niya. React natin. Di wow, OA.
Bali ba dam 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 dam.
Ba-di-da-dum-dum.